Okay, sorry I haven't made a YouTube video in almost a month. I've been really busy. So Justin just bought.
Random.
Yeah, Project Random just bought a new lawnmower, or not new, used. It's a Poulon, 14 horsepower, with the Kohler Command Series 14. No smoke, no battery. It's got a 5-speed on the floor with enough play. Yeah, it's got a bagger on the back. It's got an amp meter that don't work. It's got the 38-inch deck. Comes with a bagger. But yeah, it's got the pulse pump. It's got the mechanically fuel pump, fuel filters. There's enough nice splices in this wiring. Yeah, the person who owned this before this decided to make a joke of it. Put eyes on where it used to go. Start it up. Runs like a cat. Runs like a cat. There's just one small oil leak, maybe. I mean, it burns rubber. Burnout in the grass with it. Yeah. So yeah, this is my little update with the mower. Get it at speed going down the road. Does good burnouts. It's got a tight steering. It's only 3 or 4 clicks off. It's a nice, quiet machine. It's somewhat of a fast machine. So yeah, so that's where I've been. So sorry I've been making YouTube videos. I've been working my butt off, getting money. And yeah, more videos up to come. Go check out Project Random over there. And see ya.